you doing, Tommy?
I think shit's going.
Why are you doing that, Tommy?
To remind myself what I'd be if I wasn't who I am. My name is Thomas Shelby, and today I'm gonna kill a man. By order of the Peaky Blinders.
This place is under new management.
By order of the Peaky Blinders.